Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1972 with an absolute classic by Steelers Wheel, Stuck in the Middle. I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to drop me a like and a subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. So in this song we're going to go through the chords, we're going to go through the intro, the strumming pattern, so lots to get through. If you're ready, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So that's the intro. So let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're going to have our first finger on the 5th fret of the first string, the E string. Then we're going to have our second finger and our third finger up there on the 7th fret, G string and B string. There we go. And we're going to go up, down stroke on that. Up first, then down. You'll notice that my thumb is slightly resting on the thick string number 6, the E string. We don't want to play that one. We want to play all the strings except for the thick 6th string, the E string. Okay. Then what we're going to do, we're going to slide down to 3rd position, which means same shape, but we're going to have our first finger starting off in the 3rd fret. Okay, so we've got up, down, and then down in this position. So we've got up, down, down, and then the next shape we're going to do is going to be putting our first finger, 3rd fret of the B string, and our second finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Again, we're striking the same strings, all of them except for the top E. Okay, so all together then we've got, okay, up, down, down, up, and then we're going to bring down to the 1st fret. Yeah, so up, down, yeah. Yeah, okay, so one more time, up, down, down, up, and then we're gonna, from there, we're going to go down, yeah, down, and then we're going to go down with it off, and then up with it on, and then up with it off. So down, then down again with it off, and then up with it on, and then up with it off. So all together that will sound like, one more time. And then we do that twice, and then it launches straight into a D chord. Okay, so let me show you how the rhythm part of that is done. It's got a great right hand rhythm part on this. It's got like a slight mute going on. So we're going to go, so we've got like a snatch. So what that is, so we're going to go accented, down, up, and then we're going to do the same again, down, up, but this time we're going to, as we come down, we're going to drop the edge of our hand on the string. It's going to give us that chopping sound. So we've got, okay, so it's a down, up, clearly, no mute, and then it's a very, so down, as you come down, you're immediately stopping the strings from ringing, and then coming up with a muted sound on the edge of your hand as well. So we've got... Get it? So altogether that'll be... Down, up, drop, down, up, muted, down, up, muted, down, up, muted, down, up, muted. So down, up clearly, and then down, up with a restricted mute on the edge of the hand on the string. You sort of like come down on the mute. Okay, so then we've got a bass line. Now on the record, this is done purely with the bass. The guitar doesn't get involved, but as a guitar player on your own, you may want to add that real groovy part. I personally think it sounds better. Now, as we're going to do that, so we've got a down up, then the down up again with that muted snatch, and then we're going to go. We're going to come down on a first finger on the second fret of the E string. Then we're going to come up on the A. So it's going to be come up on the A, and then come down on the second fret of the A string, and then back up on the A string, and then back down. You start the process over. So it's So it's all on the string. The other two fingers stay where they are. So keep that part of the D still attached. So we've got, so one more time, we're going to go down, up, and then we're going to down, up, but muted, and then down on the second fret of the E string, then up on the A string, down on the second fret of the A string, and then back up again on the open A. Like that. So we've got... And that's the strum pattern we're going to do. It only really takes place on the G. I know the bass player does other things. On the D. I know the bass player does other things elsewhere, but that's the best place you can do that on the guitar on your own. Right, so we move along to the next chord. So first off, it goes D. So I don't know what I can do tonight. I got a feeling something ain't right. I'm so scared, G. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair. And back to D. Don't know I get down the stairs. Then we're going to go to an A. Clowns to the left of me. And then to a C. Jokers to the G. Right here, right. Back to D. Stuck in the middle with you. Right, so so let's go through the chords again. So I don't know why I came here tonight. D. Got a feeling that something ain't right. Then we're gonna go to a G. Da ba da do da. And then back to D. Ba da do do da. Then one more of A. Clowns to the left of me. C. Jokers to my G. Here right, and then back round again. Stuck in the middle with you. So let's take you through that. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 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 G, G, D, D, A, C, G, D. So that's the main body of the song. Now we've got the bridge. The bridge is good. We're going to go to a G, 2, 3, and you're back to D. G, doesn't matter. Clap you on the back and say, please. So you come down on a D. So we're going to go from a D to a G, back to a D, and the family all come calling, slap you on the back and say, please. That's a D chord. And then we're going to go to a very odd choice, but all the same, please, which is an A minor, AM7. There we go, A minor 7. Hold that up to the screen. First finger, first fret, second string, and then we're going to be D string, second fret with our second finger. So let's take you through the bridge one more time. And G, then to D, D, back to G, don't call it, slap you on the back and say, just downstroke with the D, and again now to the AM7, please, then back. G, G, back to D, D, A, C to the G and D, D, bridge, G, you're proud that you're a self-made man, D, D, then to G, G, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A and 7, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, here we go, D. So there we have it, Stuck in the Middle with You by Steelers Will from 1972. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. And if you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me. It helps me grow the channel and it helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, thanks very much for watching today and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.